Imagine making millions with just a click. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, in the world of Forex trading, this isn't an impossible dream. It's a world that brims with potential, promising profits as vast as the seas. But don't be mistaken, it isn't a sail in calm waters. Trading demands discipline, a calculated approach, and a dash of courage. So how do you navigate this volatile world of currency trade? Stay tuned to find out. First things first, know your market. It's like trying to play chess without knowing how the pieces move. The Forex market, my friends, is not just a simple game of checkers. It's a complex, ever-shifting entity. It's influenced by a multitude of factors, from economic indicators to political events, and even the weather can sometimes throw a spanner in the works. Understanding the dynamics of the Forex market is crucial. It's a bit like trying to predict the British weather. Unpredictable, yes, but not entirely impossible if you understand the patterns. It's not just about the numbers, it's about the story those numbers tell. Economic events, policy decisions, market sentiment, all these elements weave together to form the intricate tapestry that is the Forex market. So, dig into the data, keep an eye on the news, and immerse yourself in the world of Forex. Remember, the Forex market is a beast you need to understand before you can tame it. Ever heard of the saying, fail to plan, plan to fail? It couldn't be more accurate in Forex trading. You see, the foreign exchange market is a bit like the Wild West. It's untamed, unpredictable, and full of opportunities if you know where to look. But if you venture in without a plan, you'll likely find yourself lost in the wilderness. Having a trading plan, dear friends, is akin to having a map and compass in this Wild West. It gives you direction, keeps you focused, and helps you stay on the right path. Your plan should include your financial goals, risk tolerance, and specific strategies for entering and exiting trades. And here's the crucial bit. Once you've got this plan, stick to it. The Forex market is a fickle mistress, constantly changing and throwing curveballs your way. But a well-crafted plan is your anchor in this stormy sea. Remember, a well-crafted plan is your roadmap to success in Forex trading. Forex trading isn't for the faint-hearted. It's a roller coaster ride of highs and lows. Much like a Shakespearean drama, it's packed with suspense, thrill, and occasionally tragedy. But unlike the Bard's plays, you're not just a spectator here. You're the lead actor, the director, and the playwright. You see, dear listener, the market doesn't care about your feelings. It's an unfeeling beast that feeds on volatility and unpredictability. It's a realm where cold, hard facts rule, and emotions are the jester, often leading traders astray with their deceptive charm. Emotional control in trading is as crucial as a compass to a sailor in the high seas. It's all about maintaining a cool head when the market's heat is on. It's about not letting fear make your decisions when the market plummets, and not letting greed guide you when the market soars. So don your armor of rationality, wield your sword of discipline, and shield yourself with patience. Remember, in Forex trading, the heart can be a terrible advisor. The thrill of the trade can be addictive, but remember, every trade carries a risk. Roll that around your tongue, let it sink in. We're talking about risk management, a crucial aspect of Forex trading. It's like a tightrope walk, thrilling, but one misstep could mean a long fall. Forex trading isn't a game of chance, it's a game of strategy, and a part of that strategy is knowing how much risk you're willing to take. It's about understanding that you won't win every trade and being okay with that. It's about setting stop-loss orders to limit potential losses and take profit orders to secure profits when the market moves in your favor. Risk management is about keeping your emotions in check and not letting the fear of losing or the thrill of winning cloud your judgment. Remember, even the most experienced traders face losses. The key is to learn from them and move forward. Smart traders aren't those who don't lose, but those who know how to manage their losses. You wouldn't jump into a boxing ring without training, would you? The same applies to Forex trading. Just like any other skill, mastering Forex trading requires practice, and a lot of it. You wouldn't expect to play a piano concerto after just one lesson, right? So why would trading be any different? You see, every trade is a learning opportunity. Whether you make a profit or suffer a loss, there's always something to be gleaned. It's the continual process of learning, adapting, and evolving your strategies that will set you apart in the Forex market. Forex trading isn't just about knowing the numbers, it's about understanding market trends, geopolitical impacts, and even the psychology of other traders. It's a complex, ever-changing landscape that requires constant study. And yes, it might seem daunting at first, but remember, even the most accomplished traders started somewhere. So grab your charts, fire up those trading platforms, and dive into the educating thrill of Forex trading. Remember, in this game, knowledge is power. Choosing a broker is like choosing a life partner. Make a wrong choice and you'll be in for a world of pain. The importance of selecting the right broker in Forex trading is as vital as the air we breathe. It's not just about who offers the lowest spreads or the most attractive leverage. It's about trust, reliability, and a proven track record. A top-notch broker provides a stable and secure platform, prompt and efficient customer service, and transparent fee structures. They are your gateway to the market, your partner in the trading journey. They should be licensed, regulated, and have a solid reputation in the industry. Remember, your broker is the one who executes your trades. If they falter, your strategy, no matter how brilliant, can crumble like a house of cards. So take your time, do your research, and choose wisely. Because, my friends, a good broker can be the difference between a winning and losing trade. Ever wished you could go back in time and avoid a bad trade? Well, with a trading journal you can. You see, in the roller coaster ride of Forex trading, a trading journal is your safety harness. It's the silent observer, recording your every move and waiting to offer insights when you most need them. Imagine this. It's like having a personal mentor that doesn't charge by the hour. By documenting your trades, you create a treasure trove of valuable lessons, ready to be unearthed at your convenience. So, what goes into this journal, you ask? It's simple. Your strategy, the entry and exit points, the currency pairs, the time of trade, and of course the outcome. This way you not only track your progress, but also identify patterns, and more importantly, areas for improvement. Remember, in Forex trading, every mistake is a lesson learned, and every lesson learned is a step towards success. A trading journal is your personal time machine in the world of Forex trading. In Forex trading, ignorance isn't bliss, it's a one-way ticket to losing trades. The ever-changing world of Forex trading is not for the faint-hearted or the uninformed. Staying updated is your lifeline, your compass in the stormy seas of market volatility. Think of it like this. You wouldn't sail a ship without a map, would you? Similarly, you shouldn't trade without a thorough understanding of current market trends. These trends are your map, guiding you towards profitable trades and steering you clear of potential losses. So, how do you stay updated? Keep a close eye on economic calendars, financial news outlets, and reputable Forex trading blogs. Join forums, attend webinars, and don't shy away from learning opportunities. Remember, knowledge is power. In the end, it's not the most intuitive trader who comes out on top. It's the most informed. So arm yourself with information. Stay ahead of the curve. Stay informed, stay ahead. They say good things come to those who wait. In Forex trading, profits come to those who wait. We've all heard the old adage, patience is a virtue. But in the rapid-fire world of Forex trading, it takes on a whole new meaning. It's not about sitting idle, twiddling your thumbs, and waiting for the market to magically move in your favor. No, it's about waiting for the right opportunity, the right conditions, the right moment to strike. It's about understanding that the market doesn't bend to your will. It is a beast of its own, moving and shifting according to a multitude of factors beyond our control. Patience in Forex trading means resisting the urge to jump on every fluctuation, every seemingly promising trend. It's about holding steady, keeping your emotions in check, and letting your strategy and analysis guide your decisions. So the next time you're itching to make a hasty move, remember this. In Forex trading, patience isn't just a virtue, it's a necessity. So there you have it, folks, the top 10 tips for mastering Forex trading. We've journeyed together through the unpredictability of the market, the importance of planning, and the necessity of keeping emotions in check. We've also delved into the intricacies of risk management, the value of practice, and the crucial role of choosing the right broker. We have discussed the benefit of keeping a trading journal to track your progress and mistakes, and the significance of staying updated with the latest news and trends. And of course, we cannot forget the virtue of patience. Patience, my dear friends, is not just about waiting. It's about maintaining a positive attitude while waiting. Forex trading is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It's about consistency, not speed. It's about learning, adapting, and evolving with the market. It's about making calculated decisions and taking calculated risks. It's about resilience in the face of losses and humility in the face of gains. So take these tips, implement them, adapt them to your trading style. Forge your unique path in the world of Forex trading. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with a friend. Remember, knowledge shared is knowledge doubled. See you in the next video.